Coulson Elder Law in O'Fallon, Illinois, and St. Louis, Missouri. And this is your estate planning and elder law minute. You may not know this, but when someone dies and they have a will, it has to be filed with the court in the county where they lived at the time that they died, even if there's not going to be any need for probate. Now, you might ask, well, why would you need to do that if there's not going to be probate? Well, it's an interesting reason. It's actually, oddly enough, a crime if you are in possession of the will of someone who dies and don't file the will with a court. So why do they require that? Well, here's why. Let's say that you are one of your late mother's 3 children, and you find her will first, and you see that she has left her estate half to your brother and half to your sister and nothing to you. And you look at that and say, well, that's terrible. I don't want to not get anything. You know, if I deep six mom's will and it never sees the light of day, then I'm going to get a third like everybody else. So the reason for that requirement is they don't want it so that somebody would look at the terms of a will and not like what they see and decide that if they buried that will, they would come out better. Very few people are crooks, but probate laws are written to make sure that the crooks don't get away with it. Thanks.